Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Kathy's vlog. So a little surprise today. We are going to Porteau Cove here in British Columbia. I have a goal. I want to try out most of the provincial parks, if not all, eventually, not this year. And I've never been to Porteau Cove. I've drove past it so many times and I was really wanting to. So Scott was able to reserve a walk-in campsite. So there's an option for car camping in the walk-in. It's not like a true backcountry because it's right off the side, but it's a really lovely option. Depending on if he gets a call for work or not, we may have to leave, but we'll see. So that's why we're kind of going with the flow today. We're just kind of packing the bare minimums. We might grab a burger for dinner instead rather than eating there. Check out the provincial park, show you some clips, and yeah, that's basically the plan today. So we're going to be driving out. It's a beautiful day. I believe this whole week is going to be sunny, not the miserable rain, so we're not going through a seasonal depression. Because we're lazy, we decided not to put it in our hiking packs, so Scott's carrying it all cutely in our little tote bags.
We're lazy. We're lazy. Says the woman carrying nothing.
What do you mean? I'm carrying keys.
Wait, hold on. Can I see this first?
Okay.
Oh no, it wasn't recording.
Yeah, I told you. I recorded the last part.
I don't know.
I'm carrying my sleeping bag. Very hard stuff.
Yeah, very heavy.
All right, so to update the little situation, we tore apart the whole house. So I usually have a two-person lightweight mat tent. For some reason I could not find that anywhere. And yeah, so we're gonna use Scott's winter tent. Thank you so much to make it work. If we choose to stay, it's been really funny. It's been like so random today. We just went to Save-On's, picked up a bunch of treats, and we'll see how things go. So the first snack we're getting is a Fiesta flavor, the best flavor. Scott also opted for the Pocky Almond Crush.
It's on the way to go to the mountain.
Just pulling into Porteau Cove now campground. Oh, I guess this is registration here.
Yeah.
Firewood, you can get it from us.
Okay.
And just beware of the animals. Don't leave anything out for them.
Yeah,
absolutely.
For sure. Are there fire pits in the campground, or are they just?
There's 3 communal fire pits back there.
Oh, awesome.
You've got one 10 paces from your camp.
Oh,
amazing.
wicked.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Oh, it's actually really nice to drive in ones.
Oh, sure about the lights.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, look at this one too. These are such nice campsites. We are almost all packed up and ready to go. Scott's all locked and loaded. This is the entrance of the walk-in campsite. There's like a communal eating spot. There's some bear caches. And there's like a large sink, but right now there's lead contamination, so I don't know. Scott made a good point why you don't want to wash your dishes in lead is kind of questionable.
Yeah.
So I guess we're not even bringing plates really.
No, you can bring any plates.
Yeah, so we don't have to worry about that today.
And you got food caches too.
Nice.
Oh, we could have brought the food cache.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. That was my bad. But yeah, so this is campsite number 1. Campsite number 2, which I think would be better if you're ever reserving. That's number 3, number 4, and they share all a kind of a communal fire pit. There is 5. There's some people I don't want to disturb too much. 7, 8, 9, 10, communal fire pit, 11, 12, which is pretty big, 13, 14, 15, the best one in the house, which we got is 16, like right there. Because a lot of them are like cramped up together, but you have a fire pit right beside you with no one trees and a cute little forest setup. So if you're ever doing the walk-in campsites for Porteau Cove, I would say get number 16 for sure. And this is the lovely view. It's actually gorgeous. She's getting there. Wait, what do you mean? Someone has to record.
Help me. Fine.
I've been what?
She's just been recording this entire time.
No, let me help you. And here's the setup so far. There you go.
Not gonna get much because you got the highway right there, and the bears would have to cross the highway.
But that was crazy. She went to drink hot chocolate. Oh, shoot, you found those. Nice. Those are always
So
good to have. And we got our little table set up here with our little board games. slippers, and we will be back. Scott is styling with his headband. Very cute. Firewood. It's pretty expensive. How much would you say it was again?
$12 a bundle. Not too bad, but same price as 7-Eleven. I thought it'd be a little bit cheaper.
Yeah, 100%. So we're surrounded by wood.
Yeah.
I wonder if he'll come up again, but I just saw a massive seal. You can see that water. Oh my god, I think he's hunting. Well, seal, we're gonna try finding it. There's a trail down here that apparently to a lookout point where we're gonna follow. And so what would you rate Porteau Cove out of 10 right now, Scott?
10.
Yeah. And what would you say your only complaints are?
There's construction noises and people took up way too much space in the bear cache.
Very fair. Yeah, what do they put in the bear cache?
There's a whole ass cooler and someone brought a fucking giant ass Tupperware container. That's like a 40-liter Tupperware container. We got a little bag and we're just like, please, can we have some space?
So we hiked to the top of the lookout.
Yeah.
And they got this really lovely sign about the ecosystem around here. About the birds. And Scott, what did you say we saw already?
Loon.
Yeah, it was just right outside our campsite. And then about the coastal trees. A bunch of birds. Just birding around. Me, Sarah, and Vicky.
There she is.
Oh. Should be so sneaky. I don't know if you can see the seal. Scott spotted him. He's right there. I didn't catch him last time. This is the craziest women's bathroom I've ever seen. There's like People magazines, and there's a bottle of CeraVe. And it's officially gotten to that time where my hair started tangling, so I had to braid it up. So this is basically the look for the rest of the night. So we made it out to Porteau Cove's port. There's the sea of sky. This is really cool. Scott just found this. They put like sculptures down so they can build like habitats for the rockfish. And this is kind of what they look like. Really neat.
And it's all just right there.
Oh wow.
Just off the car.
That's really cool. Oh, and there's shipwrecks?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
So, what do you say?
You can send me pictures of.
Kathy's being so brave, climbing this V7 rock face. Look at her go.
Am I Alex Honnold?
Pure Alex Honnold right there.
Okay, Scott's also gonna take this V7. Such a cool little thing. It's crazy that this is the view from literally your tent. You really lucked out. Now we're getting the wood ready.
How is Chris?
These things come with fire starter. That's crazy.
Abroad. Among his greatest achievements are the German awards Deutscher Spielpreis, obtained in '93 and '98, and Spiel des Jahres in 2008, and the latter for Celtis, a game based on lost cities. Rainer Knizia specializes in games who simply
Being fancy, and we're not having any meals in the campsite aside from snacks, so it was kind of a last minute trip, so we didn't pack any food. We're just going straight to Squamish to get some ramen, and yeah, it should be good.
Kathy's driving.
Because I drove out and I said I wanted to drive, but she said she was scared, so I don't know what that's all about, but it is what it is.
And now we made it to Squamish, where we're trying to find the place. We actually found parking, which I guess because it's a weekday, like Tuesday, and there's the chief. It looks so pretty. So Scott has never had ramen before, so this is his first time trying it. So we just finished at that, what's it called, ramen, and now we're just checking out the local grocery store. How is it?
Oh, yeah.
Is it worth it?
It's a lot of sugar.
I know you're gonna feel sick.
No.
And I got the breakfast cookie. So Scott lit the fire. We forgot our lighter in the car, and our lovely neighbors let us borrow theirs, so that was great. See right here, they're back. And the sky, the sun is now getting set.
Okay, bedtime?
There's So change of plans. I'll tell you in a second. So a bit of change of plans. Wondering why we're in the car.
Stupid cat feeder didn't go off.
Oh yeah. So we checked the Furbo, which are cat CCTV or whatever.
Yeah.
And
So we have like a cat camera because we're responsible cat parents. Oh, that's sick.
oh, it's riding the train track.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah. So we have a cat camera that we use to see, because we have an automatic feeder for the cat, but it's, I guess, not very reliable. So we set up the cat webcam so we could see. Unfortunately, we have service here and it never fed the cat. So now we're heading back at 8 o'clock to feed the cat because we are responsible pet owners. And she's gonna be getting food like an hour late, but hey, she's still getting fed tonight.
Unlike the guy that told us beside the campsite today.
Just leave her alone for a day.
But yeah, anyways, I still had a great time. Scott still had a great time. It sucks we couldn't stay the night, but that was the end of our adventure.
Yeah.
All right, toodaloo. Anything else you want to say?
Cat it, you suck.
Yeah, cat it. Not the best automatic feeder.